Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Komal and today I'm gonna show you this half of hairstyle. So yeah, let's get started. Now first of all, part your hair and take a small strand from the center. Now take a strand from the left side and cross the middle strand over the left and then cross it to the under the left strand. Now take the strand from the right side and cross the middle strand over the right and then under the right strand. Now add some hair to the left strand and cross the middle strand over and under the left strand. Now add some hair to the right strand and cross the middle section over and under the right strand. And every time you have to cross the middle section and add hair to the right and left strand. And do not add hair to the middle section by mistake. And when you reach the end of the middle section, then secure it with the bobby pin. Now pull out some section of your hair to add some volume. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I have mentioned my ID on the screen, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.